Hi everyone, do you have an RV with a torque window opener? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace it. Hi everyone, we have a torque window opener in our new RV. The gears inside the old one are stripped and it's not closing all the way. So unfortunately, my window has a gap in it, and it's while you're going down the road. And it's also bringing in dust during storms and everything. So we're going to go ahead and replace that today. What we're going to need is a drill. I'm using my cordless gun, a drill bit, and also a rivet gun. These are riveted in, so we're going to drill the rivets out, replace the mechanism, and then reattach everything. Okay, so I've got rivets right here and here on both sides, and we're going to go ahead and drill those out and put my glasses on so I can see. And okay, there's that one. Once you get the head off, that means you've got it. You don't have to continue drilling through. And that is going to be hot, so watch your fingers. It will burn them. It does open, but that's it. Okay, there we go. So we've got the new mechanism. It popped right up. So now we just got to get this out. I'm going to slide it off one direction here. And I've got the ladder in the way, so that's not helping things. And then I'll slide the other one off the other one. So here's the old mechanism right here. We'll go ahead and get that discarded. Okay, before we put on the new one, we've got to get rid of the rest of this rivet here. I'm going to go ahead and drill that out the rest of the way. So I'm going to remove that rivet. You do want to make sure you vacuum after you're done to get rid of these shards of aluminum. Okay, that one's done. It started turning, so we're going with that. This one's just about there. There we go. Okay, so we've got both rivets out now. And we're going to open our mechanism up. Slide the new one on. Bring that over. Slide it on this way. And bring that back to center. Just boost that up a little bit. And you could put a bolt in from the back, a small bolt, and thread a nut on if you don't have a rivet gun. I've got the gun, so I'm definitely going to go back with a rivet on this. It won't be black, but it'll be riveted back in and secured nice and tight. I won't have to fuss with the bolts after the fact. So I just got it right now. I just got to figure out the correct rivet, and this one will actually do a good job. And on my rivet gun, I'm actually going to have to change heads. This is a little bit larger shank here, and my rivet gun happens to have the tool that goes with it. So I'm going to pick out the correct size. And it's the center one here. And just by chance, if you're looking for a great rivet gun, this is a Craftsman unit. I've had this for a few years, and I really like it. It's nice and durable. And I didn't know that. It also has a positional head on it. Okay, so now I can go ahead and rivet the new one in. Just going to bring that through both holes. I'm going to go ahead and install a rivet in the other hole as well while I'm doing this one. Just to make sure I keep that everything centered. Okay, there's that one. Okay. Okay, now we just replace the handle and go ahead and bring our window in. Nice and tight. No more gap, no more dust coming in. We'll go ahead and give that a try, and that comes right out. That's perfect. And that cranks in. So that, again, is the torque style window crank for an RV. They work very well. They're more for these big glass pane windows. just to open up a little way to give you some air. I did want to tell you where I got this online at Pelland, Pelland Enterprises in Arnold, California. And I ordered this, and it took probably about 3-4 days. It was at my doorstep, or actually in the mail. And so this has been something that's been coming for a while. I can go ahead and put my screen back up, and we can go camping. All right, thanks for watching. We do have other RV repairs that we have done and have videos for. If you'd like to, just subscribe to our channel. You can go through our videos that we have. But this one is a quick and easy fix. You don't have to bring it into a repair shop to have that done. You just do it yourself with a cordless drill and a rivet gun, or some small bolts and nuts. All right, well, thanks again for watching DIY on the House. And if you like it, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. And subscribe as always. Thanks for watching DIY on the House.